Welcome back to the Brewery Project training tutorial. In our previous session, we created two brewery line tags based upon tank, pump, and valve tag templates. Each brewery line, as shown in the asset tree, contains brew kettle, grist mill, lauter tun, and mash tun, as well as their entire tag structures. Now that we have our tags and templates defined, let's configure our PLC communications. Under Devices, we will first start by creating a channel. A channel is a protocol or driver that we will use to communicate with our devices. For this tutorial, we will create the communication structure that matches the PLC types shown in the upper right corner. Let's begin by adding the ControlLogix protocol. To do this, click Create New, select AB Rockwell ControlLogix from the protocol list, and click OK. Under Protocol Options, the defaults are typical. However, if you have a 5580 controller, you would want to select L8X from the model number list. Now let's add the communication protocol for the SLC 504 PLC. To do this, click Create New. From the protocol dropdown, select AB Rockwell PLC 5 SLC devices and click OK. For protocol options, since we are trying to connect to a SLC 504, we're going to select 500 for the model number. However, if you were going to connect to a PLC 5, you would select 5 for the model number. Okay, we have our protocols ready. Now it's time to set up the individual PLCs. To do this, select the Nodes tab, click New, and from the drop-down list, select ControlLogix. For the node name, we'll go ahead and select Brew Kettle, as this will be the Brew Kettle PLC. And for description, I'll put Brew Kettle in here as well. Now that we have the first ControlLogix PLC in the system, let's go ahead and use the table configuration to create the last couple ControlLogix PLCs. Let's put in mash tun. Again, for the channel, we'll just pick ControlLogix. And for the description, we can put mash tun ControlLogix. We'll do the same thing for lauter tun. And now to create the SLC 504, we'll put in grist mill as the name. And for channel in this case, we'll go ahead and select the DF1 Ethernet, which is the PLC 5 or SLC device channel. And once again, we'll put in grist mill, and we'll just put SLC 504. Now we have all of our PLCs defined, and we're ready to add points. To add points, click on the Points tab. A point is where you link tags to PLC addressing. Let's create our first point using the table. First, we'll start typing brew line 1, select that, brew kettle, and level. For the node, we'll select the PLC for brew kettle. And for the address, we'll select a tag of type real. And for the tag name, we'll use brew kettle .level. Now that we have our first tag defined, we can use Excel to create the rest of the tags. To do this, we simply select the tag and hit Control-C in order to copy that tag and paste these tags into Excel. By using this copy and paste as a template, we can begin to quickly define our set of tags for the project. I've already defined all the tags for the system using Excel on the next tab. Let's go ahead and copy these tags and paste them into FactoryStudio. To paste them, right-click and select Paste Rows. We now have all of our tags defined by the PLC, the address, and additionally I set the access type based upon how we will use the tag.
Tatsoft.